I have basically three steps to success. Set clear goals. The first step to success is setting clear, achievable goals. Define what success looks like for you and break it down into smaller, manageable milestones. This will give you a clear direction and keep you motivated. Number two, develop a plan and take action. Once you have your goals, create a detailed plan outlining the steps you need to take to achieve them. Prioritize your tasks and take consistent action. Remember, progress is made through small daily efforts. Number three, stay disciplined and adapt. Discipline is key to staying on track. Stick to your plan, but also be flexible and ready to adapt to changes and challenges. Learn from setbacks and keep pushing forward with determination and resilience. Life will give us all challenges. Learn to navigate through them. Keep pushing. Don't quit.